My name is Gareth Young. I'm the Director of Health, Safety, Environment, and Quality for EnerCorp Engineered Solutions and EnerCorp Industrial Solutions. For me, as a safety director, communicating with our employees is critical, right? We want to make sure that we get safety bulletins out to them in a timely manner. We want to make sure that if there's some type of weather or emergency, we can communicate with them as quickly as possible. And then just having safe operating procedures, safety bulletins from the past, our HSE manual, all those kind of things for me was kind of one of the critical pieces of why we wanted to launch this. But from there, the additional features are amazing. So our HR department uses it for communicating HR issues, for putting the employee handbook at their fingertips. Our operations team uses it for SOP, standard operating procedures, and then we're in the process of utilizing the QR code aspect of it. We're gonna put branded QR codes on all of our equipment that link directly back into safe operating procedures, equipment maintenance files, just things that our employees and our customers both want to see. So it's been awesome. And then you add in the fact that the employees can engage with management, just the ability to chat with us and share things. I challenge my teams out in the field to do hazard hunts and post what they find. And so they can share across the entire company what they're seeing in their region. And it makes the whole company safer, because now guys in Pennsylvania can see what challenges are happening in North Dakota or West Texas or South Texas or even all up in Alberta. So it's been awesome.